If you want to expand the services offered by your workshop and take advantage of opportunities in the after-treatment system market, get to know the NOx Tester equipment, the most advanced solution on the market for diagnosing NOx sensors, testing catalytic efficiency, and ARLA pump. Let's start with the NOx sensor testing function. With this function, you can simulate the operation of the NOx sensor both on the bench and in the vehicle, ensuring a precise and efficient diagnosis. In addition to the NOx sensor test, the NOx tester performs a catalytic efficiency test by comparing the amount of NOx entering the catalyst with the amount coming out, indicating its efficiency percentage. This test ensures a precise analysis of the catalyst's condition, providing confidence in the diagnosis. And let's not forget about the IMTC pump test, which is essential for checking the proper functioning of the pump, ensuring that your gas treatment system is operating at its best performance. With cutting-edge technology, the NOx tester from Hybrid Controls is your ideal partner for efficient and accurate diagnostics, increasing your business's profitability. So, don't waste any time. Get your NOx tester now here at Hybrid Controls. See you next time.